Okay, go to your airdrop menu, and then you're going to reset your wallet. Okay, here, after you reset, private, yes I have, we're going to reset first. Okay, reset. Okay, because I connected it on chain airdrop, I want to go to connect to Bybit. So yeah, that's it. So after that, open your Bybit app. Okay, so we're going to copy our UID. So here from your home, okay, first click the deposit crypto. Okay, then type it here, hamster. So hamster, HMSTR. Okay, then search, then that's it, that's the hamster. Click the hamster and then tone. Okay, and then here, copy the wallet address. Here's the wallet address, and then your tag memo also is here. So first, click the wallet address, copy, and then put it to your hamster deposit address and paste it here. Okay, and then after copy the memo, go back to your Bybit app, then here's the tag or memo is the same. Okay, paste it here. Okay, copy paste, and then you will get your UID in your Bybit. So go back to your home in your Bybit. So here, click the this one, your profile, and then here's at the bottom of your name, here's your UID. So copy that one. So after you copy, paste it again here in the Hamster Combat game. So your UID. Okay, paste. Then after that, make it sure, double check again. Double check your number and your letter before you save and choose. So make it sure that always double check before you save and choose, because if not, your hamster token will be nothing or gone. Okay, so make it sure it's correct. And so I double check it before I save and choose. Okay, so that's it. So I check again, I double check again. So the hamster deposit, just check the first 4 letters and then the last 4 letters in your hamster deposit address. So that's thing that make it that's sure that you copied well. Okay, just double check again. So there also your memo, check it that one, the same number, and that's it. I save and choose. So thanks. After that, we will check if you're in or not. So go back again to your airdrop hamster menu. Okay. Just double check again. Okay, like that. In the hamster menu, you can look here, Bybit Exchange have a check already, green check, in the right side of your Bybit Exchange. So if that's happened, you're in now. So that's it. Thanks.